What's going on, guys? So I just finished putting everything on my car. Actually, not my car, Martin's car. We're actually heading out to New York. We're gonna help a friend of ours, actually a friend of mine from Instagram. He needs help like tucking his fuse box, so he reached out to me maybe like, I don't know, 6 months ago or something like that. He doesn't live too far. We're probably just gonna stay the night out there, work on the car. I think we're gonna pull the harness out of the car, bring it back to his house, do everything we gotta do, and then bring it back to the car and make sure everything works. There's a couple things I bought just to bring it with me. He bought a bunch of other stuff we needed as well. And like I said, I'm gonna bring you guys along on these trips, and hopefully you guys enjoy these vlogs that I be doing.
Ready?
Say what up, fool.
What's up?
You change these lights?
Nah, they came stock like that.
Damn.
Except the back one. That's something else you pay for?
Yeah, yearly.
We're gonna look at you crazy.
This man over here forgot his underwear.
I'm gonna grab a toothbrush.
Sweatpants, a couple things.
Oh my god, these are the best flossing strings ever.
Damn, $5 for a toothbrush.
Purple, green, pink.
Yo, I got one of these. This shit works. Martin looking for stuff.
Yep.
Alright, hopefully you guys can see me. We've been probably in New York for what, maybe 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Maybe 30 minutes. We're about to get off the bridge, which is a really nice bridge. And now we're in Grand Central Parkway. So you got about 20 more minutes or something. I don't know. Lock your doors, hide your kids, hide your wife. Yo, strip club first. We go get prostitute. No.
Fuck no, I ain't getting it.
YouTube's gonna take me off their program or whatever the fuck. And then after that, we go get tested. And then once we're good, see, like that little deli, I wouldn't go in there. When you get out, you get mobbed. Why is this guy's coming out of that hole in the ground? Did you see that? Can find one. If you want us to circle or go further down.
I can get in I can park in there. Stay on my car and you can take my spot. Right here, the blue car.
Nice to meet you. That's Martin. I don't know. I brought out the camera. I was like, fuck it, I'll bring it. We just gotta pull that harness out and then bring it back inside, and then we should be good from there. I just gotta look at a couple things, and we should be able to do it inside. We don't have to freeze or whatever. This is everything we brought. I brought this bin full of stuff. I got my backpack. I got another harness down here. Got a bunch of stuff. He had his car parked here, and he gave it to us, and then he brought his car in there, and I think that's where he's allowed to park, so we're good now. We're just gonna take everything out so we don't get robbed. Peep the slippers, guys. the famous man. And now we're back. Martin's there. Jay's there. So yeah, pretty much this is how it looks right now. And we got a bunch of loom over here. I got my solder. He's got all that. I ordered a bunch of stuff here as well. All the wire we bought. All the wire in there. We're gonna reloom this thing, extend some wires, and pull the fuse box right back into the car. So the ABS is right here, which we're not going to use anymore. We're just going to extend a lot of these wires and make them a little bit longer. I'll probably just start taking the old loom off, and tomorrow we'll just reloom it and stuff and just go from there. This is where we're at so far. Martin's half asleep now. Look at this guy. Pretty much we cut 12 wires. This is the O2 sensors right here, which which we're not worried about. We try to keep it to a minimum. This is kind of like bundled up right here, but I'm trying to keep myself from cutting as many wires as I can. It's better than cutting all these and having like maybe 30 plus wires. So biggest wire size is a 12, and I think there's only one of them. The rest of them are 16 or 18. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Right now we're gonna end up using these alligator clips. You clamp one side over here and then the other side, and then this will help you hold the wires in place. Yeah, I'm gonna get going. I'm not trying to be here all night. All right guys, so quick update. We got about 4 hours of sleep, but I feel like I got like 8 hours of sleep. I don't know why. Let me show you guys the progress and what we got. The fuse box is done. So this is all the fuse box wires. Some of them didn't have to get extended. I think we had to do like 11 wires. So I'm getting a little better at it. Don't have to extend as many wires. We gotta extend all of his headlight wires just because I know they're not gonna reach. Like I said, ABS we're not gonna use, so that's gonna just stay like that. But yeah, we're gonna relume this, make sure you know everything's good, and then we're gonna go test fit it on the car. So yeah, we woke up like at I want to say like 7 a.m. 8 a.m. So we're gonna head out to IHOP and just get something to eat. I didn't have my camera yesterday. I kind of forgot it. Today I'll show you guys the car. I just forgot the camera. New York Timberlands. It's only right that Martin wears the Timberlands in New York. Martin over here. I'm hungry, bro. New York air smells like.
Yeah. What New York air smell like?
It smells like hot dogs.
Boxes are defeating, purpose always fleeting. I pose questions to the ceiling like an answer gonna come. Truth is too revealing, life is easier concealing. All emotions to the start on your heart going numb. I should be in drive more, I just wanna feel alive more. I feel hurt all the time, boy, I can't see straight. I've been running on the freeway till I get blinded by the headlights. They go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. That got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been a little bit more focused on the place that my feet needed to go? And as they go past me, I see the last me that I ever will be. And that got me asking if living this lightly, has that been the right thing? Or should I been more focused on where feet wanted to go?
Guys, if you didn't know, I'm on a keto diet. These guys are eating good, I'm not. I'm just putting this keto thing on a trial. 6-month trial.
Yeah,
I lost 8, bro. I lost 8 pounds already.
wait till Thanksgiving comes back around though.
Sometimes I wonder if I felt
Over here, you heard?
Say what?
Apprentice over here, like a solder now. And hide the wires in the loom.
You got anything to say?
No, they hear from me enough. Trying to get that car up and running. Like in 3 years.
3 years, yeah. I made 3 years in October.
He knows the anniversary.
October 26th.
Alright, so after I think 12 hours maybe. I mean 2 days, and probably did half yesterday and half today. Martin's tired. He's ready to go home. Jay's over there half asleep. No, he's ready to go to the garage. We're going to the garage to go install this right now, but just to show you guys real quick. Yeah, so that's the part that goes inside the car, but it's all loomed up. This is for the fuse box right here, relocated inside the car, and yeah, the rest of it got loomed. We extended all the headlight wires just to be on the safe side, make sure we got enough wire for that. AC canister, we made it extra long. He's not quite sure where he's gonna put it, but just to be on the safe side, we just extended that one extra long. And his fans, those stay where they're at. The other side for the headlights as well, we extended all of those. So that's the harness right there, all the way through. What's his name?
Milo.
And that's Milo. He just did nothing all day. He just
Slept.
Yeah, he was just sleeping all day. And then yeah, we're gonna head over to the garage. I'll show you guys his car. Give you a walk around maybe, and maybe he could tell me more about it. It's hella cold over here. I don't know where you guys are from. He's from New York, I'm from Massachusetts. So I'm gonna bring this container with me just in case we do have to fix anything. I'm gonna bring that with me. And yeah.
I lay me down to sleep, I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again, I pray the Lord that Now I lay me down to sleep, I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again, I pray the Lord that Cause I've been working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hands. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with the gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do. Working in the kitchen with the dirt on my hands. God tell me why nobody love me but you. Born inside the belly with the gun in my hand. Ain't no time for pity, got some thugging to do. I've been working and writing and working some more. Searching for truth, and truthfully I'm hurting to know why many of millions live where the murderers go. On the daily dealing with shit you never heard of before. See, I got motives of moving my mama plenty of miles. Send me the pay before you even send me the files. I don't kick it with niggas cause they energy wild. You pussy by association like the enemy's child. I'm wondering really where they gather to go. They hate to see you win and they be glad when you fall. That's why I came with shooters, never passing the ball. Who would toe tag them and everybody tagging along. See, it's a tragedy, really had to be silly to try. I can show you the way, but is you willing to fly? I'm breaking down the layers, I be peeling your pride till I get to the dead center with a perfect.
So we're gonna work on trying to get this harness in, like I showed you guys. Now that we pulled the car out, we got more than enough room. This guy keeps hiding goodies in here. We got this as well. If you know what that is, then you know what it is. I don't even gotta talk about it. This guy got parts everywhere. Ridiculous. He's also got another bumper up here. This is, which one is this one?
Backyard special.
This is on the backyard special. And then this guy got another one.
Yeah, I got this one for free, cause.
For real?
Yeah.
Which one's this one?
C-West.
Oh, okay. Damn.
It's a little messed up.
You could. Oh, fixable though.
Yeah. I got it for free though.
That's what's up.
Can't complain.
Let's see if we can get this harness back in here. Try our best. Interior, got the red carpet, the Recaro like I showed you guys, hybrid racing. Shifter. I never really even touched one of these before. You got the shifter cables too, right? Hybrid racing? Shifter cables too?
Yeah.
Hybrid racing? Really nice piece. Now I'm thinking about getting this one, not the K-Tune one. All right, let's get to it. Let's see what we could do. So we spent about, I want to say 2 hours.
Yeah, I had to go to Pep Boys.
See if this car turns on, but we got the lights to turn on and everything, so make sure the car turns on. So moment of truth right now. Yeah. Just turned on. Lights are working. He's still having a couple of issues with his turbo, but yeah, it's looking good. It's not too loud either. It's pretty good. My camera about to shut off, guys. I left my battery at home. It's running, tucked. Hopefully we're able to do a couple more for some people, and I got another one I'm doing at home, so everything's looking pretty good now. So today's Monday. We made it back. I was hella tired. I couldn't really record me with the finished product. I think I didn't record it. I don't remember what I recorded last. I think me and Martin, all we did, because I called him up yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. We drove back Saturday and got back like around 2 in the morning. I called him up. All he did was sleep all day. All I did was sleep all day. We were just tired, man. It's like a 3-hour drive. I'm glad we got that done, and Jay's able to drive his car now. Working on somebody else's harness. I'm gonna try and get this one done today, or you know, throughout the week. I'm just gonna work on it, and I got a couple other people interested in doing their fuse box, so if you guys are interested, DM me on Instagram. And hopefully you guys like that footage from New York. I wish I would have brought the camera more with me. So yeah, I'm gonna spend my morning kind of just working on this harness. Think I'll get back to you guys maybe in a couple days, and we're actually gonna work on my car. I think we're gonna remove the front bumper off the car, both wheels, I think both front fenders. We're gonna do electric power steering, the AC, heat, all that other stuff I've been talking about that I haven't done. I've just been mentioning it a lot. I think finally we're gonna end up doing it this week. So I'll see you guys in a couple days, and whatever, we'll just go from there, all right?
Perfect. Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?